Assalamualaikum grade 1, take out your English grammar book and open your page number 19. Nouns. Nouns are naming words of animal, place and things. Here we discuss all animals have names. Words like cat, dog, pig, owl, lion, butterfly, fish are all names of different animals. Let us understand. Look at the pictures below. Write the names of the animal you see. The letter of the word is given as a hint. What is this? It is lion. Lion, lion. D. What is this? Duck. Duck, duck. What is this? Camel. Camel, camel. What is this? It is tiger. Tiger, tiger. Animals and their young ones. A baby dog is called a puppy. A baby cat is called a kitten. Learn about the young ones of the animal. The young ones of the animals: lion is cub, sheep is lamb, horse is fowl, goat is kid, cow is calf. Remember, people, places, and things have names. Animals too have names. Look at the page number 20. It's your homework. And now look at page number 21. Extended exercises. Look at the pictures, then complete the passage using correct names of the animal. The word in the list will help you. Bird, frog, monkey, elephant, rabbits, and peacock. Okay, listen here. One day a lion and a lioness took their young cub for a walk across the jungle. Look at it. Look at this picture. It's a picture of jungle. So they walked up the hill. From there, they could see a beautiful scene. Look at here. Yes, it is very beautiful scene. All the animals looked very happy. Now look at here. Number one, and Dash was putting water over his body with his trunk. What is this? It is an elephant. So you write it here. Elephant. 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 Number second, a Dash was sitting on a tree eating a banana. Who is eating a banana in this picture? Look at here. Yes. It is monkey. So write it here. Monkey. 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 Number third, a Dash was sitting on a branch spreading out its tail. What is that? Look at here. It is peacock. Write it here. Peacock. Peacock. Number 4. A Dash was feeding its little baby in the nest. What is it? It is bird. 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 Write it here. Number 5. The Dash were running. Dash were running. Rabbits. Okay, write it here. Rabbits. Rabbits. Number 6. A Dash was looking at the rabbits. Dash was looking at the rabbits. A frog. A frog is looking at the rabbit. Okay, frog. Frog was looking at the rabbits. Now take care. Allah Hafiz.